Welcome you all. My name is Sandhya, first year MCA, University of Mysore. My topic is Reliance Industry Limited. So, content is introduction, history, board of directors, company profile, vision and mission, products and services, services that based on artificial intelligence, awards and recognition, SWOT analysis, conclusion, reference. Introduction. The Reliance Group, founded by Dhirubhai Ambani, it is India's largest private sector enterprises with business in the energy and materials value chain. Reliance Industrial Limited. It is an Indian company headquarters in Mumbai in Maharashtra. Reliance owns business across India engaged in energy, petrochemicals, textiles, natural resources, retail and telecommunication. Reliance is the second most profitable company in India, second largest publicly traded company in India by market capitalizations and also measured by revenue after the government controlled Indian Oil Corporation. The company is ranked 215th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations as of 2016. Reliance Industrial Limited contributes approximately 20% of India's total exports. It is ranked 14th among the top 250 global energy companies by Platts. Dhirubhai H. Ambani is the founder of the Reliance. Born in 28 1932 in Chawad, Gujarat, Dhirubhai started off a small office time workers with the Arab merchants in 1950s, moved to Mumbai in 1958 to start his own business. In 1957, returning from Aham, Dhirubhai Ambani starts a AM trading business from a small office in Mumbai. 1966, Reliance Textile Industries is born, being with the textile, trading and then textile manufacturing. 1977, Reliance IPO creates history by introducing equity cut in India. In 1985, Reliance is renamed as Reliance Industries or RIL. A petrochemicals manufacturing plant is commissioned in Patalganga, Maharashtra. In 1992, a petrochemicals facilities to produce the HDPE and PVC is set up in Hazira, Gujarat. In 2000, Reliance Industrial Limited commissions the world's largest Paraxel plant at its new integrated petrochemicals complex in Jamnagar, Gujarat. So in 2002, Reliance enters the telecom business and bring about revolutions in Indians mobile telephony. In 2005, Reliance business are reorganized and divided between two brothers. One is Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani after their father's death in 2002. In 2006, Reliance Industrial Limited enters the retail business with the Reliance Retail. In 2016, Reliance Industrial Limited makes the telecom foray with the RGO by launching the wireless broadband 4G services. In 2020, Reliance Industries entered the technology and digital services business by a strategic partnership with the top global technology companies. So, board of directors: Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and MD, Anita M. Ambani and Hital R. Maheshwari and PMS Prasad, KP Kapil and remaining people. These are the board of directors in Reliance Industrial Limited. So, company profile: Reliance Industrial Limited growth is alive. Uptake captures the ever evolving spirits of Reliance. The company has evolved from being a textile and polyester company to an integrated player across the energy, material, retail, entertainment, and digital services. Reliance operations spans from the explorations and productions of oil and gas to the manufacture of the petroleum products, polyester intermediates, plastics, polymer intermediates, chemicals, synthetic textiles, and fabrics. Reliance products and services portfolio touches the almost all Indian on a daily basis across the economic and social spectrum. The company serves about 300 million customers and it is India's largest private sector corporation. So these are the products: polyester chips, plastic recycling plant, and oil and polyester filament on. In Reliance Textiles in 1966, first textile mill was established at Naroda in Ahmedabad. Started Reliance Textile under the brand name Vimak. The brand was the first to use the cricketers as a brand ambassadors, the likes of former Australian of the captain Border and legendary West Indian batsman Buck Richard endorsed the brand. In 1975, World Bank visited Reliance Textiles and certified as the best polyester cloth. He took his company public in 1977. So, in initial public offering, Dhirubhai Ambani is awarded with the starting the equity cut in India. More than 58,000 investors from the various parts of India subscribers to Reliance IPO means initial public offering in 1977. In 1986, the annual general meeting of Reliance Industries had number of first-time retail investors investing in Reliance. Ambani's net worth was estimated up at about the 1 billion by early 1980s. After the Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance Group is split into two companies. One is Reliance Industries Limited and another is Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani. And Mukesh Ambani is the CEO of the Reliance Industries Limited. Anil Ambani is the CEO of Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. So Reliance Group. The Reliance empires was split between the Ambani brothers. Mukesh Ambani getting the RIL and IPCL and younger his sibling Anil Ambani headed the Reliance Capital, Reliance Energy and the Reliance Infocom. The entity headed by the Mukesh Ambani is referred to as the Reliance Industries Limited, whereas the Anil's group has been renamed Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. Reliance Institute of Life Science Dhirubhai Ambani founded in initiative was established to promote the higher education in various fields of life science and related technologies. So Reliance Industrial Limited. Here Mukesh Ambani is the CEO and this is the logo of Reliance Industrial Limited. So Reliance Industrial Limited, it's a private public sector and headquarters in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in India. And key people is Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and MD, and revenue is 55 billion, and income is 4.54 billion, and assets is 63.84 billion. Equity is 34.12 billion, means 12 billion. And Reliance Industries Limited is one of the largest publicly traded companies in India by market capitalization. It is also India's second largest private sector company by revenue and profit. This company is ranked 99th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporation. So vision and mission. In vision, through sustainable stable measures, create the value for the nation, enhance the equity of the life across the entire socio-economic spectrum, and helps spread ahead India as a global leader in the domains we operate. When it comes to the missions, these are the missions: create value for all stakeholders, grow through innovation, lead in good governance practices, ensure energy security of the nations, and the fosters rural prosperity and use sustainability to the drive product development and enhance operational efficiency. When it comes to products and brands, these are the products and brands of the Reliance Industrial Limited. So Reliance Fresh, Reliance Smart, and Reliance Trends, Reliance Jewelers, Reliance Wellness, iStore, Reliance Time Out, Reliance Footwear. And when it comes to the major subsidiaries and associates of the Reliance, subsidiary is Reliance Petroleum Limited, Reliance Retail Limited, Reliance Insurance Booking Limited, Reliance Retail Finance Limited, Reliance Service Solution Limited, Reliance Strategic Investment Limited, and Reliance Explorations and Production, Reliance Global Management Services. And comes associates Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited, Reliance Industrial Infrastructures Limited, and Reliance Europe Limited. So highlights of the company is revenue about the 6,59,205 crores in US dollar mean 92 billion, and operating income 76,134 crores, and in US dollars means 11 billion. In net income is 53,223 crores, and US dollars is 7.5 billion, and total assets is 13,21,212 crores. In US dollar means 119 billion. In total equality means 6,93,727 crores. In US dollars 97 billion. Over Mukesh Ambani, owner is Mukesh Ambani, about the 50.54%. Number of employees is 2,36,334. These all are with respect to the this year 2021. In the year of 2021. So Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. So Reliance in Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group, it is a private sector. Key people is obviously Anil Ambani is the chairman, and revenue is 15.4 billion, and total exports is 29 billion in US dollars, and employee is 1 lakh 20,000. The company, which has formed after Dhirubhai Ambani's business empires was divided up, it is headed by younger son Anil Ambani. The shareholders base is over 12 million, among the largest in the world. The group is present in many sectors including telecom, capital, power, infrastructures, entertainment and health. So products, Reliance Industrial Limited, Reliance uh, Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group, communication, infrastructures, Reliance Services, Reliance Entertainment, Natural Source, Petrochemicals, Healthcare and BPO. This all the comes under the ADA Group. So Reliance Communication, when it comes to the Reliance Communication, these are the Reliance Communication, Reliance Globalcom, Reliance World, Reliance Infactel, Reliance Global Call, Reliance iCall, Reliance Digital Call, Reliance BPO. So Reliance Power, in Reliance Power, these are the Reliance Powers, Reliance Natural Resources Limited, Reliance coal resource, hydropower in 2500 watt, solar power in 500 watt, and wind power is 400 watt. Dhirubhai Ambani solar park is 40 watt, and Samalkot is a power project in 2400 watt, and Butipuri power project is Nagpur in 600 watt. Reliance Big Entertainment. Gaming, internet, broadcasting are the comes under the big entertainment. When it comes to the gaming, here we can see the Jump Games, Codemasters, and Zabak. In internet, we can see the Zabak.com, the blog Big in Cinemas, and BigOYE.com, and social networking site. When it comes to the broadcasting, Reliance Digital.com, Reliance Digital TV, Big TV, DTH services, and Reliance Broadcasting. And next come to the movies and televisions. Reliance Pictures, Reliance Animations, Big Cinemas, Big Music and Video, Reliance Home Video, and Reliance Video Media World, and Big Flags for the movies on the right. And others, Big Street, Big Maps, Big Life, Big Events. So AI services and platforms. Geo is a AI services platform, connectivities, storage and security, healthcare, financial inclusion, news, entertainment. When it comes to the Geo TV, for use it for as a TV live TV channels app, Geo Cinema for the library of vernacular movie, Geo Music for the stream and download HD music, and Geo Newspaper for the digital newspaper from the over 100 cities, Geo Maps for the library of magazines, Geo Express News for the OTT news aggregator app, Geo Money is as usual the payments app, Geo Health Club for the store, categorize, manage and the share health data, Geo Cloud for the store and access the files, and Geo Security for the antivirus applications, and GeoNet for the gateway to Wi-Fi, GeoVoice for the providing OAT communications on the non-OAT, GeoChat for the free chat, SMS, voice and video calls. These are the platforms of the Geo which can be used as a AI services. So in GeoFacts, the largest mobile network operating in India is Jio. So Mukesh Ambani has invested around 1,50,000 crores in Jio, which is said to be the highest made by any company for the startups. Third largest mobile network operator in the world with over 387.5 million subscribers. So Jio launched a fiber to the home services, offering home broadband, televisions and telephone services. So Jio is one of the world's largest and fastest growing data services operators with a more than 30 crore subscribers. So the Indian services provide, which has disputes the market with its affordable data plans and unlimited calling benefits, and provide digital experience ranging from the data services on the smartphones to gigabyte internet at home, along with the profit for of the media offering a device and such as the smart speakers and switches for the smart home. Commenting on the partnership, Anish Shah is the president of IT. So Reliance Jio said our networks generates 4 to 5 petabytes for the each data each day. If this data can be properly analyzed in a real time using the big data analytic and predicting analytic techniques, we can both improve the health of our network through the intelligence automations and offer multiple customizations personal services to our customer. So Reliance is at war with the everyday. Yes, Reliance Industrial Limited. We can see the in e-commerce, oil and gas and media, healthcare, oil and education, online education, wallets and payments, video conference and telecom, music stream, retail and electronics. These are the fields we can see the Reliance Industrial Limited. In e-commerce, we can use the GeoMart and Reliance Indus Petroleum Retail for the oil and gas, and Networking 18 for the media, and Geo Health Club for the healthcare, Geo Money is for the wallet and payments, Geo Meet for the video conference, and Geo for the telecom, and Geo Music, Geo Swank for the music streams, and Reliance Smart for the retail, Reliance Digital for the electronics. These are the what Reliance is doing the competing with the every fields. So other than the Reliance Industry Technoventure Travels, Reliance Clement, Reliance Anniversary of Tour and Travels, Reliance Properly Solutions, NIS Sparta, Corporate Training Institute. So awards and recognition. In leadership, Sri Mukesh D. Ambani was recognized as the iconic business leader of the decade at the Indian Business Leader Award. Srimati Neeta Ambani has been named among the top 10 port connectivity influential women in the sport 2020 by the largest global private network of sport business executives in technology and patents, R&D and innovations. Reliance awarded for the exceptional um, presentational in a Unipol PE Global Technology Conference in 2019 in USA. DTA Refining was awarded Indian Manufacturing Excellence Award 2019 in a high platinum category, and Fortune Ready Factory awarded by the Frost and Sullivan. And Reliance Retail received the Annapurna Food Retail of the Year Award 2019 by the Retailers Association of India in associations with the Federations of India Chamber of the Commerce and the Industries. Reliance Retail features in the global 100 top retailers, the only India company to do so. So, Reliance Retail has topped the list of 50 fastest growing retailers globally in Deloitte Global Powers of Retailing Report 2020. And digital services, Reliance Jio won the Best Data Service Innovations Emerging Market at Global Career Awards. Reliance Jio won a Gold Award for the Excellence in Innovations in Technology Industries at the Asia Pacific Festival, and Geophone was adjusted as mobile device invocations at the Global Telecom Awards. Geo was recognized at the Best LTE Service Provider, and Geophone has a handset invocations of the year at the Asia Telecom Excellence Award. Even comes to the media, CNN's News 18 won the Hennas for Media's New Broadcasting Awards in 2019 for the Best Early Prime Show in Viewpoint and Best Late Prime Show in English News. So when it comes to the corporate social responsibility, Reliance Industrial Limited was awarded the Golden Peacock Award for the corporate social responsibility in 2019 for improving the livelihoods of the farmers and fisher folk and the livestock owners through the information services. Capital resources, Reliance was won the best corporate South Asia by the Assets Asia, leading the financial publications for the issuers and the investors. Health, safety, and environmental. Health, safety, and environmental. Reliance was recorded winner at 18th annual Green Tech Safety Award 2019 for the president committed in the field of safety. And SWOT analysis of the company. Strength in company is USB of the company, market share of the company, brand value of the company, and skills in which you are better than your competitors. When come to the weakness, skills may not be the part with the competitors, and financial limitation, competitor strength, channel strength of the company in new market. When it comes to the opportunities, company develops a better products and lack of competitors, and company can provide the better services. And next is need of your product in high. When come to the threats, competitors has a better quality product, cost of entertaining into the market in high, political and environmental influence, and high competitions. And final conclusion is Reliance is a convergent play between the manufacturing and services business, a company at the crossroads of the old and new economic, and Reliance supervises operational and financial performance reflects is the global competitiveness and a business strategy and the ability to maintain the profitability through the business cycles. Reliance is committed to a conservative financial framework and a consistent and over to maximize overall shareholders value. And reference is Wikipedia, rl.com, and capitalmarket.com, and Reliance Industrial Limited, and Reliance Industries, and award and recognized in .html. These are the reference what I study. So think big, think fast, so think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. So thank you.